Hello friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LCD with 8051. For writing this code we are using Keil compiler and for debugging we will use Proteus. Firstly work on Keil. For those who are working on Keil for the first time and want to make project in Keil compiler, I have put the link in the comment box. I have already written the code and for explaining I am going through the code step by step. Now open Keil software and follow my commands. So I work on LCD. This is our Keil compiler. This is our Keil compiler. Before explaining the code, go to my blog. This is our LCD. We are using a 16x2 LCD. It's a 16 pin are there in the LCD. 1 to 16 pins are there. One is for the ground, second is for VCC, third is for the potentiometer for the contrast control. Fourth is for RS, register select, means we have to use a command register or a data register, means we have to use some command for initializing the LCD or you have to write the data for display purpose. For RS equal to 0 for command and 1 for data. Read or write operation, you have to perform a write operation. Read for 1 and write for 0. Suppose you have to work for the read operation, then give 1 to the pin. You have to operate for the write operation, then give 0 that pin. EN means you have to give high to low pulse. In the case of write, you have to work on write operation, then give high to low pulse. First high, then some delay, then give the low pulse. These 8 pins are the data lines. 8 are the data lines. D0 to D7 are the data lines. And these are 2 LEDs are for the backlight, means backlight LEDs, backlight glow or not glow. This is our LCD. It's a 16 pin LCD. 1 to 16 pins are there and these are mentioned here. What pins and operations are there. So, and some predefined commands also there. Means we have to suppose you have to initialize it, or you have to suppose you have to thinking first display on, cursor blinking, then you have to write your code in the first line or second line, in third line, fourth line, display on, which type of LCD you have to using. In these are the commands are there. So we are using, with the help of these command, we have to write a code and we are using Keil compiler. So before start, also on Proteus. In Proteus, design code. In this, we are using an interfacing of LCD with this IC. Zoom it. In this we are using this microcontroller. These data lines are there, D0 to D7. These data line is connected with P1 port. RS pin is connected with 3.0. RW is connected with 3.1 and enable is connected with 3.2. These things are not but when you have to work on hardware, then you have to connect it. In software, not needed. Okay, this is our connection part, means data part are connected with P1 port and RS control lines, RS RW enable are connected with P3.0, 3.1 and 3.2. So according to that we write the code. We are using bit operation. For bit we are using S pin. When you have to use a pin operation, then before using you have to use S bit, then give the name of that pin, then 3.0. 3.0 for the RS, 3.1 for RW and 3.2 for enable. We have to make one array. We are using only 5 command. 0E, display on, cursor blinking. This is for the clear display screen, first line or second line. This 0x80 to write a code on the first line, means this is your LCD. Suppose this is 2-line LCD. This you have to write your code from 80, means it start line code you start from starting of the line. Suppose you have to write 81, then one space is there. The second line C0, C1, C2, these blocks are there and each block address is this. Okay, suppose you have to start with 80. Display on, cursor blinking, everything is, you have to only use these 5 commands. This is for the display purpose we are using it. we are using two function. One is for the command, other is for the display, means for data. This is for the delay. In this we have to use one main program. Before main program, see on the command session. In command, rs equal to 0, I already told you, rs equal to 0, rs pin is 0 for this one, rs pin, this one, rs register select. This is 0 for command and 1 for data. So when you have to work on command, then rs value will be 0. Then you have to work on data, then rs value will be 1. Then rw equal to 0, then rw 0, because in both operation you have to operate a write operation. After that, give the high to low pulse, enable 1 then 0, enable 1 then 0. Same function is there, only one difference is there. This is for the command and this is for data. For command, rs equal to 0, for data rs equal to 1. You have to use this it. Suppose you have to use these 5 commands first. So you have to use 5 commands are there. So you have to loop 0 to j equal to 0 up to 5 times. First j equal to 0, condition check, condition true. Then array of 1 0 part, value put on p1. p1 means p1 is 0x0e, display on cursor blinking. It means if p1 port is there, after that go to the command, means this command you have to call the function, means this value is work as a command, not work as a data. So you have to call the function command, means this command is work as display on cursor blinking. According to that, suppose after j++, then the value of array is 1, then p1, then 0x0, then clear display screen. After that, call the command, means this is a command and work as a command function. So up to 5 you have to using it. After that, you have to, for display purpose, you have to use, suppose 15 characters are there, w welcome to all, we have to for loop up to 15, like that. Very same as k equal to 0, then put the value of 1, k 0, then w, then e, then l up to 15. This is our code, simple code is there. This is for command. Okay, after that, before build, you have to go to the option for target and target one, then go to output, then give the executable file name, means hex file name is lcd1, then create hex file, then okay. After that, build it. Then creating hex file is there. Creating hex file from lcd1. lcd1 name file is there. This is connected to p1 port and this is 3.1. Then double click on the IC. Go to the LCD part, LCD1. Then OK. After that, run. This is welcome to all. Welcome to all. This is okay. Suppose you have to write your code on the second line, then write a code for second line. Enter the code for the second line. Mention it. Open the project. For second line means you have to write a code on both lines. This is the code for, and this is Proteus. Proteus is same because LCD is same and Proteus is same for both, for first line, second line or fourth line, anything. This is for Proteus. This is skill. Same code is there, everything is same, only one difference is there. The difference is you have to write the command for next line. Is p1 equal to 0xc0. 0xc0 means cursor go to the next line, means starting of the next line. c0 address of the second line block, means this is the first line, this is the second line, first block address c0, then c1. Suppose you have to start with c1, means one second line, one space, then you have to give c0 instead of c1. Sorry, c1 instead of C0. Okay. Same command is there. After that you have to display. One is for welcome to all and second is God bless you. So this code is for command purpose. Okay. This is for the display for welcome to all. Then after that providing second line, your cursor move from second line. After that you have to write a code for God bless you. Same code for welcome to all, only this difference is there. You have to mention this command. It means your cursor move from second line. After that build it. Then this one. After that go to the Proteus, double click LCD2, name is LCD2.hex. Okay, then okay, then after that play. It's a first line write welcome to all. All commands are initialized. In that case it's starting some delay is there. Welcome to all, and second line God bless you. This all the programs are running infinite time because you have to use while one function. Means okay, again this is operated infinite time because we have to use while one use in this means this program operate infinite times. Okay, again this one. Okay, thank you very much.